we have a modern marvel of tactical speed, the Master Cutlery spring-assisted folding knife. In the world of dangerous knives, speed is often the deciding factor, and this folder is built for rapid response. Featuring a lightning-fast spring-assisted mechanism, the blade snaps into a locked position with a simple flick of the thumb stud or flipper, catching any opponent off guard. The blade is typically crafted from black-coated stainless steel, giving it a low profile. Its aggressive geometry, often featuring a drop point or tonto tip, is designed for maximum piercing power and deep slicing efficiency. The handle is ergonomically sculpted with tactical grooves to ensure a vice-like grip, preventing the knife from slipping during high-impact use. What makes this Master Cutlery piece particularly deadly is its ability to hide in plain sight. It fits comfortably in a pocket via its sturdy clip, but transforms into a formidable defensive weapon in a fraction of a second. It is the perfect choice for the modern adventurer who prioritizes a compact, fast-deploying edge that doesn't compromise on lethal performance when the situation turns critical. Introducing a true titan of the woods, the Mossy Oak fixed-blade hunting knife. This isn't just a tool, it's an iconic piece of survival gear, designed for those who face the rawest elements of nature. The massive clip-point blade is crafted from high-quality stainless steel, featuring a razor-sharp edge that can handle everything from heavy-duty camp chores to skinning large game with surgical precision. What makes this knife truly dangerous is its sheer versatility and unwavering reliability. It features a full tang construction, meaning the steel runs the entire length of the handle, providing maximum strength and ensuring the blade will never snap under pressure. The rubber-molded handle offers a non-slip grip, allowing for total control even when your hands are wet or cold. Accompanied by a heavy-duty nylon sheath, it is always ready for immediate deployment. Whether you're clearing a path through dense brush or defending yourself in a high-stakes survival situation, the Mossy Oak hunting knife delivers the power and lethality required to dominate the outdoors. This one is a legendary American powerhouse, the Buck Knife 124 Frontiersman. This is a straight-up heavy hitter that bridges the gap between a hunting knife and a combat blade. The 124 is a massive fixed blade featuring a 6.25-inch 420HC steel blade that is thick, heavy, and incredibly strong. Buck's famous heat treat process ensures that this edge stays sharp through the most brutal tasks imaginable. What makes the Frontiersman so dangerous is its sheer mass and balance. It possesses the chopping power of a small hatchet while retaining the fine control of a specialized fighter. The handle is made of beautiful, durable micarta with a large aluminum guard and pommel, ensuring your hand never slides onto the blade regardless of how much force you apply. It is a knife designed for the big jobs, breaking down large timber or facing off against the most dangerous predators in the wilderness. The 124 Frontiersman is an imposing, lethal tool that commands respect the moment it is drawn from its high-quality leather sheath. It is a testament to Buck's commitment to forever warranty, quality, and raw, unadulterated cutting power. Meet the elite tactical Guardsman. This knife is a masterpiece of tactical engineering, specifically designed for those who require a professional-grade defensive folder. The Guardsman features a high-performance D2 tool steel blade, known in the industry for its extreme hardness and ability to maintain a razor-sharp edge under the most demanding conditions. Its deployment is powered by a ball-bearing pivot system, making the opening action as smooth as silk and incredibly fast. The handle is constructed from G10, a high-pressure fiberglass laminate that is virtually indestructible and provides an unbeatable grip in blood, mud, or water. What earns the Guardsman its place on this list of dangerous knives is its aggressive, purpose-built ergonomics. The handle is shaped to lock the hand into a protected position, while the blade geometry is optimized for both tactical thrusts and devastating slashes. It often includes a deep carry pocket clip, allowing for discreet carry until the moment it's needed. The elite tactical Guardsman is more than just an EDC knife. It is a combat-ready instrument designed to provide a decisive edge in the most dangerous environments on the planet.
We find the hidden threat of the tactical world, the Reaper boot knife. This is a blade designed specifically for concealment and last resort defense, making it one of the most dangerous tools in a professional's kit. The Reaper features a spear point double-edged design that is engineered for one thing: maximum penetration. Its slim profile allows it to be tucked away in a boot or clipped to a belt, where it remains completely invisible to the untrained eye. Forged from 420 stainless steel with a black oxide finish, the blade is both rust-resistant and incredibly sharp on both sides, allowing for lethal efficiency in any direction. The handle is often textured with a high grip material to ensure that despite its size, you have absolute leverage and control. What makes a boot knife so deadly is the element of surprise. It provides a defensive advantage when your primary tool is out of reach or lost. The Reaper comes with a custom-molded sheath that ensures a silent draw, allowing you to go from unarmed to fully protected in a heartbeat.
Moving to next number, we encounter the king of penetration, the Schurzko 12-inch Ranger Tonto knife. This blade is a testament to the bigger is better philosophy of tactical survival. Featuring a massive 12-inch overall length, this knife provides the reach and intimidation factor of a short sword. The standout feature is the Tonto-style point, a design historically used by samurai to pierce through heavy armor. This reinforced tip is exceptionally strong, allowing the Ranger Tonto to punch through tough materials like car hoods or thick leather without snapping. The blade is typically crafted from heavy-duty stainless steel with a non-reflective black finish, making it an ideal tool for low-light tactical operations. What makes this knife particularly dangerous is the combination of its reach and its armor-piercing geometry. The handle is often cord-wrapped or made from high-traction synthetic material to ensure the user can deliver maximum force during a thrust. Whether you're using it as a brush-clearing machete or a primary defensive tool, the Schurzko Ranger Tonto offers a level of piercing lethality and sheer physical presence that is hard to ignore. Inspired by the legendary Gurkha warriors, the Kukri is famous for its forward-leaning weight, which allows it to act like a handheld axe while retaining the slicing efficiency of a razor. The K-tact version brings this ancient geometry into the 21st century with a 10-inch blade forged from 1075 high-carbon steel, finished with a rugged blasted satin coating. This knife is dangerous because of the physics behind its design. The center of gravity is shifted toward the tip, generating immense centrifugal force during a swing. This allows it to shear through thick branches, bone, and dense materials with a single blow. Condor has upgraded the traditional handle with contoured micarta scales, ensuring that the massive energy generated by the blade stays under your total control. It also features a high-quality Kydex sheath, allowing for modern tactical carry and rapid deployment. The K-tact Kukri is the ultimate force multiplier for the outdoor enthusiast, offering a level of chopping and slashing power that is virtually unmatched in the world of fixed blades. It is a terrifyingly efficient survival tool that honors its lethal heritage. Next one is a blade forged with the spirit of the warrior, the Tops Knives Apache Dawn. This isn't just a survival tool, it's a high-stakes tactical hybrid designed to dominate the most unforgiving environments. The Apache Dawn features a massive recurved blade made from 1095 high-carbon steel, a material celebrated for its incredible toughness and ability to hold a lethal edge under extreme stress. Its aggressive geometry includes a deep belly for heavy chopping and a swedge that enhances its piercing capability, making it a terrifyingly effective tool for both utility and self-defense. The Apache Rockies edition specifically caters to those navigating rugged mountain terrain, where a failure in equipment can be fatal. To ensure absolute control, the handle is outfitted with textured micarta scales, providing a vice-like grip even in blood, mud, or freezing rain. What makes this knife truly dangerous is its overbuilt nature. It is designed to take a beating that would shatter lesser blades. Whether you are batoning through hard timber or facing a survival emergency, the Apache Dawn offers a level of raw, unadulterated power and lethal precision that earns it the top spot on our list. This one is a piece of lethal military history, the Shazko M1 bayonet knife. This blade is a direct homage to the classic bayonets used with the M1 Garand during World War II and the Korean War. While it functions as a standalone combat knife, its true danger lies in its primary design as a thrusting weapon. The M1 bayonet features a long, slender blade with a deep blood groove, specifically engineered for maximum penetration and lethal efficiency on the battlefield. Even when not mounted to a rifle, the heavy-duty handle and large crossguard provide the leverage needed for devastating stabs and slashes. The blade is made from high-carbon steel and finished with a Parkerized coating for extreme durability and corrosion resistance. It comes with a classic military-style scabbard, ensuring it is protected and ready for action at a moment's notice. The Shazko M1 bayonet is dangerous because it is a purpose-built instrument of war designed for the harshest combat conditions imaginable. For the outdoor enthusiast or collector, it represents a lethal link to the past, a blade that helped win world wars and remains a formidable defensive tool to this very day. It is the definition of a battlefield-proven killer.
Meet the SOG Adventurer LB, a knife that proves danger can come in a slim, sophisticated package. While it may look like a standard everyday carry folder, SOG's military heritage is baked into every millimeter of this blade. The LB stands for lockback, one of the most secure locking mechanisms ever devised, ensuring that the blade stays rock solid and won't fail during high-pressure survival tasks. Crafted from stainless steel, the drop-point blade is designed for versatile cutting, from fine precision work to aggressive defensive slashes. What makes the Adventurer so dangerous is its stealth factor. It is thin and lightweight enough to be carried anywhere, yet it deploys with a speed and reliability that catches opponents off guard. The handle is made from glass-reinforced nylon, featuring a high-traction texture that ensures a secure grip even in wet or slippery conditions. In the world of outdoor survival, the most dangerous knife is often the one you actually have on your person when an emergency strikes. And the SOG Adventurer is designed to be that constant companion. It is a precision-tuned instrument that prioritizes reliability and rapid response, making it a top-tier choice for any modern adventurer.